Hello and welcome again to the MyGuru online MAT classroom. Today we're going to look at a specific common type of analogy called a classification analogy. Now, the first thing we have to do, as we know for all MAT style questions, is identify what the pivot term is based on where the blank lies in the given set of terms. So anytime the blank is term D, that means the pivot is going to be term A, because we know that A cannot relate to D, so we want to evaluate lion first, because we know lion has to relate to either pride or tiger, irrespective of the answer choices. Now, when you're dealing with just relationships in general with the MAT, you need to know that kind of alike is never an acceptable MAT analogy. So that means that lion is kind of like tiger is not going to be right. So we don't want to relate the lion to the tiger, and we always need to consider alternative definitions of common terms. And in this case, that would be pride. So pride, you may be looking at that and going, well, does a lion have pride? Maybe, potentially, but it's going to have to be the relationship of a lion is something to. And you need to consider that tiger is the same thing to whatever the blank is. So we can eliminate based on this logic before we even deal with the classification. So obviously, choice A, proud, is just the wrong relationship. This is just kind of alike. And so we know that we can eliminate choice A confidently. Then stripes. So a tiger has stripes, and a lion, again, I guess it could have pride, but it's not the same analogy. So we can eliminate choice B for that same idea. Now, ambush, that you go, okay, well, ambush seems like it's got this weird application to it, and it may have a secondary definition, and that's going to be an important thing overall, is always consider if common terms could have a secondary definition. Because tigress would be a female tiger, right? So we may use the little squiggle here to hold on to ambush for now. But tigress, well, a pride is not a female lion like tigress would be female tiger, because that would be a lioness. So it has to be ambush. And the classification is actually is this. A pride is going to be a pack of lions. And an ambush, believe it or not, is going to be a pack of tigers. Just one of those weird things in English for the classifications, because these have the same classification. But you can see that even if you don't know these rather obscure terms for plural groups of wild animals, you can still get yourself to the right answer choice using this idea of they have to be something to something else, and you have to have the same relationship then between the other pair of terms.